limits in this class tonight, or any of our classes tonight. So he's going to wind her up and let her go. Up right now. That's not what we wanted to happen there. Got Nick Morrison with the toxic IH. Nick Morrison, let's see what he can do. Getting all of his safety gear situated here. With the Sunset Smoker, case 1070. He's chasing a distance of 320.6. That's how you pronounce that. So, happy birthday, Clutch Monkey. Here's the Black Stallion. Okay, all right, Brian, somebody said we need to play that